Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a, I guess a light clean with me. I got a pretty late start today. Got up late. Well, I woke up twice this morning and just, you know, I was just feeling tired. Just feeling really tired. You know, because I be staying up like super late. So, third time when I woke up, I was like, okay, I need to get up out the bed, pull myself together. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change the sheets on my bed. I already took the sheets off, just straighten up a little. And that's what this video is gonna be, y'all. So get your snacks and all of that. So first, I'm going to grab my Lysol and spray down my mattress cover. I always do that. Just make sure I spray everything down, even my pillows. So, and now I'm going to get out the sheets. And this time, I won't be using white sheets. I'm going to use my gray sheets. I haven't used those in a while, so I'm going to put those on my bed first. And these sheets, I've had these for years. I'm talking about a really long time. They came from Walmart. I bought them inside the store. And yeah, I mean, these are some good sheets. I think they are by Better Homes and Gardens. And you can't see the print on the sheets. They have like a Greek print pattern. So I got them in the white also. But these sheets have held up for a long time. I want to say I purchased these back in 2014, but yeah. So I grabbed my Febreze and just sprayed the sheets. I always use that. It's just some fabric freshener that I use. So makes your room and your curtains, any kind of fabric that you have in your home, the spray makes it smell really good. I forgot the scent that I'm using, but it is the Febreze brand, so it's really good.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said.
Now to go on top of my sheet, I use this down alternative comforter. This is from Home Goods, so you can find these comforters at Home Goods, Ross, and if you buy duvet covers, these are, you know, this is what you would use for the insert. But I like to place it on top of my sheet, and then I place my bedspread on top of that. Bedspread or quilt.
I want you to meet my parents. Yeah, now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I
So I'm going to just go ahead and finish putting my sleeping pillows. These are the pillows that I sleep on. I always put those on first before I add my decorative pillows. So I'm just going to put the pillowcases on there, and then we're going to add the decorative pillows. All right, I needed to get this stuff out of this corner and put it away. It's been sitting there for a few weeks, so need to get it out of there. And I'm taking my fabric freshener and spraying down my curtain panels. So got those smelling good. And I'm going to put down some carpet freshener and let that sit before I start to vacuum. So while that's sitting, I will dust off my mirrors and my night table. This is some glass cleaner that I forgot I had. It came from TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna try it. It smelled really good. It's a lavender scent, so I'm gonna try that out. And I sprayed it on my mirror and I'm wiping it. I didn't like it. So I'm going to go get my Myers because I really wasn't feeling this spray. So yeah, it smelled good, and I'm not saying it doesn't do a good job, but I don't know. I don't think it does a good job. It's not like Windex or Myers glass cleaner. So I like both, Myers or Windex. Windex is my #1 favorite though. And these are my orchid stems that I have. Now one of them I had hanging out of the vase, but I decided to tuck it in just to give it a different look. And I'll be doing the same thing on the other night table.
Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for that ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.